Listen here, this is basic arithmetic. Divide and conquer, so charismatic. Hey, buddy, in the chasing hits like ethics. I'd rather put lead in your ethic. Bastards, articulate MCs are rare.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Mike D back with another video. Just want to say what's up to everybody. This video is going to be the reverse He Got Games. I did get these pair off my man Unbreakablekicks, and first and foremost, I want to shout out to you for getting them to me so quickly, man. You are the man. You are amazing. Thank you, brother. Look at this box. Wrapped up so nicely. Next day shipping. I ordered them from them on Saturday. Not next day, but they went out Monday and I got them the next day, so still think that's fantastic. So I don't know what fools be hating for. So, packaged up wonderfully, and here we go. Let's get this over to you. You can read that tag. Alright, and I'll read it off to you. Alright, this is Airjordan 13 Retro, black, gym red, white, size 11.5. Retail price is $190. $190 US. It's just your standard white paper. And boom. Let me put this down because this is a lot nicer than I thought. You got your red Jumpman on the tag, your red Airjordan right there on the bottom, your black upper, a little red Jordan man on the bottom right there, and you got your little hologram right here too. Standard Jordan. So very nice though. I do like it. I like it more than I thought I was gonna, now that I see them actually in person. I do like these a lot. Just your regular old 13 laces, nothing crazy. But yeah, that's about it. So these are actually very comfortable in my opinion. I do have the all black with the green on them. I have those. And they're one of my more favorite pairs of shoes to wear. Those, and I like sixes a lot. Sixes are really comfortable for my feet. But I'll get these on. I'll try them on at home. There's got your little carbon fiber hit right there. Take a look at the bottom. Normal pods, all that kind of stuff. Let's see. So let me know what you guys think of these. Did you cop these already? I think these are coming out Saturday. They're coming out Saturday. Let me know if anybody's planning on copping them. Let me know what your opinions are of them. I'm going to get them home. I'm going to see if they fit true to the 11.5 that I normally wear. And I'll leave that in the comments and let you guys know how I feel that they fit. If they feel like they're too big or they're too small, I'll let you know that, all right? But that was just a quick video just to show you guys what these look like in person and give you my thoughts on them. I do like these a lot. This is a very nice shoe. Let me know what you guys think of it. All right. And last but not least, if you guys could like this video, that'd be great. If it's your first time watching the channel, please subscribe. Leave a comment. Let's talk down below. And as always, peace out, y'all.
Just trying to get comfortable with the booth again, people.